Good morning, you beautiful people. How's it all going out there? There we go. Where's this from? Before I flip it over. Any idea? It's from Germany. No, no, it's not. It's Spanish. No, it's Portugal. There you go, 50 escudos, 1989. My birth year, that is. Right, first of all, we'll whack a hole in it. It's a big coin, so I'm going to use a big punch. Big coins equal big punches. Not a lot of people know that. If you'd like to support my channel, you can hit the little button, bottom right hand side of the video. That'll make you a subscriber. And if you hit the bell notification, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Let's go over to the gorgeous lady in blue. There she is. Sexy as ever. Big Bertha's not leaking today. That's good of her. Right. What do we got? Otto. My pussycat's arrived. Hello. Right. Let's show this puppy a bit of warmth and affection with some fire. The relief isn't great on this coin. It's like it's been around the block a few times, this coin. Dry it off. So I think we're going to go, yeah, let's go with this side, shall we? Sunny side up on the ring. You've got some fishes there. There's some stuff. There's some stuff on there. Loads of stuff. Right. So that's going to go face down. I have to use two dies on this one because this one isn't deep enough. Let's go for big red. I still haven't got my table yet. I'll have to go and get one. See what I mean? Everything's a bit pear-shaped on it. Right, let's change that for this one. And give it a bit more. I'll put my arm in away. Because it's looking a bit sad. This whole part of the table here is just simply snapped in half. But it was just a sad bit of wood anyway. It's only like chipboard or part of a cupboard. So part of a wardrobe, I think. I don't want my clothes keep falling out of the cupboard. We haven't got a side to it. There you go. Right, let's show it a bit more love. Okie dokie. Yeah, I do custom work. You can check out my shop. It's yourthinkofmyring.com. There's a link in the description as well, so you can have a look down there. I need to tell you what's happening. Right, let's go over to Spike. You can even send me your own coins. There's this guy from Canada's going to send me, I forgot his name now, I should have wrote it down. He's going to send me a few coins, and I'm going to make him a ring as a thank you. I think the way he's talking, he's going to send me quite a few coins, so at least I can do, you know. So, watching fella, sorry I forgot your name. It's an age thing, you know, the old memory goes. Who am I? What's going on? What am I doing? What's this? What's it all about, Alfie? What is this thing I'm doing? What's going on? Who can I turn to? Right. There we have it. I'll get another. Yeah. Right. Let's show it a bit more warmth. A bit more affection. Right. Yeah, it's back to zero again, the temperature. Crazy. We even had a little bit of snow yesterday. I was just about to get my tyres changed to summer tyres, so I think I'll leave it a bit longer, just in case we do get a bit of a flowy storm here. Right, I'll show it to Spike. There he is. Proud. Standing proud. Proud to be a Spike thing. Yeah, that's it. I'll just get the rest of that bow out of it. There you go. More cone shape than anything else. These are reduction dies. I think there's a little bit there. How's that looking, folks? I think a little bit more. Yeah. That's all used. Might be a touch there we can use. Yeah, I think tomorrow I'll go and get another table. I'll get a kitchen worktop or something to stick on here. Maybe. I think that's pretty sexy. Right. That's whacking Kate Bush. So I think, see, the relief is very, very fine on this one, like finer than a fine thing. But you still got your detail on the inside there. That's why I use the kitchen roll. You gonna focus for me? Portugal. Right. Oh, wait a minute. Have we got anything to cut out? Yes, we have. There you go. It's gone. Nice and clean cut. Let's whack in cake bush again. And just go around the edge. Yeah, it's been around the block, this coin, a few times. Let's see if we can do something with that edge. Was it supposed to be like that? It seems to be hammered all the way around. See that? Would you say that was natural? Or should I get sandy on it? Well, let's get sandy on it. Yeah, I think it's just had a hard life, this coin. A bit like me, I've had a hard life. Yeah, it's been a hard life for me. When I was a kid, I got a Saturday, well, not my friends had a paper round, you know. And I wasn't into that sort of thing. I got a Saturday job and a greengrocer's. This guy used to pick me up about 4:30 in the morning on a Saturday. We used to go to the big fruit and vegetable place in London, buy up all the stuff for the shop. I used to go there every Saturday, and actually like 4:30 in the morning. He used to pick me up in a big old Zodiac car, twin headlight Zodiac, bloody great thing. And I used to get home about 6 o'clock in the evening. I used to have to fill up the shelves and clean the cauliflowers and cook the beetroots and keep loading up the apples and polishing them all. And for that, I used to get £1. A bloody £1. Even then I thought it was, I mean, Jesus, after £1. That's not much, is it? Right. I did it for quite a few years. And of course you get a bit older. And I thought, well, I ain't doing this for a bloody £1 on a Saturday. And that was the end of that. That's why you went to buy, sometimes used to buy a tin of peanuts or something, from him. And he used to charge me for them as well. I never fed you, never used to get any food. It's a long bloody day when you're a kid, He was a nice bloke though, Brian his name was. Ouch, getting a bit warm. Ouch, ouch. That's really hot. That's hotter than a hot thing. Right, how's it looking? It ain't coming up too bad. It's funny. I do this and clean them up like I'm doing here. Then I take them to my girlfriend and she inspects them. I mean, I've got powerful glasses on to see this because I want to see what I'm doing. I mean, I can see without the glasses, but the glasses help. And after about 5 minutes, she says, "No, this isn't good enough. You've got to go and clean it." I said, "What do you mean?" And there's a little mark on it or something. So off I trundle back, get Felton John out, give it more polish. And sometimes it still isn't right. No, look, it's still not right. Look there. I said, bloody hell, it looks lovely to me. Well, it's not, it's horrible. Look, look. Yes, dear? How high do you want me to jump, darling? But yeah, she's right, you know. Do you have the same problem, Gary? Do you have the same problem with Doris, mate? You can't win sometimes, fella, I tell you. I think I won once, and that was back in 1972. But yeah. Okay, there she is. One Portuguese coin ring. Looking rather good, eh? You still got all the detail on the inside. I like this Portuguese ring, so it's looking quite good. Right, what size we get in the end? It's quite a big coin ring, but I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. This is a size 13, just a tad over 13 and a quarter. But I can make it a little bigger for you. I can make it a little smaller for you. So if you're from Portugal and you'd like a nice coin ring, I've got one for you. It fits that finger perfectly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow. God willing. Tubby, bye-bye.